Machine elves. Greetings. My name is Darryl Ono, and I am the Ambient Master. TOS. Darryl Ono, yes. And I create incredible sonic worlds using the power of found sounds, using this trusty spoon. But also, due to an extension in the Ableton free trial period, I now have another 50 days to create my very own sonic worlds using Ableton. So here we are. Darryl Ono will produce for you a brand new sonic audiosphere here and now on this website. And if my shirt opens up too much during the piece, please type into the chat TOS, which stands for Tell Ono Shirt. Because the machine elves who run this particular website do not approve of my nakedness. My free-flowing ability to create is very much hindered by this clothing, but I must wear it. The shirt is merely a fashion choice. But the sunglasses I wear because I have seen realms that you cannot possibly imagine. And the hat conceals the third eye with which I was able to see them. So now that you know why I look like this, we can proceed to the much more important aspect of Ableton, the music which I have created. But first let me plug my work on Twitter. Who knows who will appear into my world today. But let me show you what I have been creating first and foremost, and also remember the TOS rule. Yes. Let me show you what I have been creating. Yes. Well, that is why we are here. I have started very simply with an operator such as this. Let me show you. I have started just like that. Such as this. Let me show you. I have started very simple operator, just like that. Very basic. And on top of that, I have proceeded to generate a found sound with my spoon. A very simple xylophone technique using the little bendy thing on my pop filter. Such as this. Can we? Oh, I haven't armed it, sorry. There we go. I just recorded something very simple like that. Sent it into the Simpler. Added some basic effects. Genius! Genius! Simple genius. That's all that is. So combined together with the operator, we have the basics of a brand new sonic world. Yes, I just love creating machine elves fundamentally tampering with my stream. Already, they cannot handle it. This is most embarrassing for an Ambient Master to be shown up. I must make my window bigger. Here we go. Here we go. Yes. It still doesn't fit exactly. Of course it doesn't. Ableton, not a fan of being windowed. I cannot blame it. Being windowed is a horrific ordeal to impose upon any digital audio workstation. We'll go with that. There's a slight bit of the top that isn't covered. Yeah, that works for me. I hope it works for you, machine elves. Yes, yes. Now the fiddling is over, we can begin creating. And I have a very good idea, for you see, let's turn this off. For you see, I have a mug of tea with me. Try not to spill it all over my laptop. Le Creuset, yes. Other good brands of mug are available. I have an idea, and I think you know what this idea is going to be. I will simply strike the mug once full. We will go and create something else, and once I have drunk it all, I will strike it again. An empty mug. We will hear the difference. It will add to the world. Full on the second beat. Empty on the fourth. Genius. Pure genius. Let us arm our track. Just like this. Let us hit record. I don't know. I've already messed this up. Oh dear, oh dear. The substances which I consumed before coming on here have addled my brain somewhat. I hope you can forgive me. Let us try again. Somewhere in the midst of that, we will have our sound, yes. Yes. Let us listen. Let us find it. Let us love it. TOS, TOS, TOS. Yes, I'm liking this. Yes. But which one is our sound? Which one? Do tell me. If you're in the chat, Machine Elves. Do tell me. Do tell me. I'm thinking number 2. Potentially. Or perhaps number 5. Let's go with number 2, for simplicity's sake. Now, how do we do this? I should really know. And, get it into the simpler. Where is it gone? Oh, this is unbelievable. There should be a simpler way of just selecting it, but I haven't quite figured it out yet. I can just drag it all into the simpler, can't I? Yes, here we go. And then simply select this. Oh yes, here we go. Oh yes, think of all the things we can do with the sound, yes. We found it. We found our sound, our first sound. Outside of the xylophone on the pop filter. Oh yes. Yes. Now I want to put it on number 2. I think this is going to work, you know. Genius. This is pure genius at work. Pure genius. Do the machine elves know I'm here? If they do, I don't know how much longer I will have to create this audio sphere. But I will try my best to create something special for you. Now, reverb. Flange it before the reverb. Reverb comes last. Do I want to put a delay on? Of course I want to put a delay on. I'm Darryl Ono. This is what I do. I delay. flamboyantly. Offset it. More. Too much. Simple. I like it. Yes, I like it. Yes, very good. Oh, we're onto something now. Now I need to finish drinking my tea, upon which I will strike the mug again. An empty mug this time, and see the difference in the sound. But yes, apart from the simple operator, that little xylophone sound that you can hear, the scraper sound. That's not a xylophone. What am I talking about? Xylophone. What is that called? It's called a guaylo. Yes. Is it a no? It's not. What's it called? Scrapey. The scrapey machine. Scrapey goodness. It's called something like that, but I can't remember. Mine's gone black. That is my pop filter. And that is my mug of tea. Found sounds. Incredible. Genius. Yes. I'm going to try plugging this little stream of mine. Finish my tea. Let's see if anybody joins. But yes, I'm on my last sip of tea now, and then we can create our next sound. Oh, refreshing. Yes. Yes. So sad. Anyway, enough of that. Let's record our next sound. Striking the mug with the spoon. But it's empty this time. It was full last time. Let's see if that makes any difference. Shall we? Does that sound enchanting. I hope it does, Machine Elves. The track. I'm sure I could have done this in the same audio device, but I don't want to mess with things. Let's keep it simple. Or simpler, yes. So, Vasily, let us strike the mug. Oh, yes. That takes me back to a place I've never been to before. It really does. Remember if my shirt opens too far. Tell Ono shirt. T-O-S. I don't want to go to the banished place. I don't want to. I do not want to. Simpler! Let's get simpler on the go. Remember, if you want to make ambient music like Darryl Ono, I don't even know my name. If you want to make ambient music like Darryl Ono, Ableton are doing a 90-day free trial due to the virus of Corona. So you too can make this music for 3 whole months. For free. Very simple. TOS, TOS, TOS. Let us find our next sound amongst the sample. Go. It's the wrong one. Go. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I think we found it. We found the sound. I love my sounds. On the 4th hit, it shall play. It has been ordained. It must. On the 4th. That's the other one, not this one. The one with the effects was when my mug of tea was full. It is now empty. This is the sound of the empty mug. Let us find out what it sounds like upon adding basic effects such as reverb. Oh, did you hear the difference? Did you hear the sound difference? That is the difference between a normal brain and a genius such as my own. My genius astounds myself. Maybe some echo. Sorry. Do you hear the tone difference? Do you? Oh, it's glorious. Perhaps add a chorus. Before the reverb, of course. Yes. Yes. extend this operator. I believe it should be 64 bars instead of 32. Would you not agree, Machine Elves? Would you not agree? Also, don't worry, we will get to the randomization, don't worry. That's coming. We're going to randomize this track within an inch of its life. Do not worry about that, Machine Elves. That's coming. Duplicate loop. Everything you can hear except for the operator is a found sound that we have created on this stream already. Everything. Well, admittedly it's only 3 other tracks, but this world that we have created, I created very simply, just with things that are within my reach. Mug of tea. What's it called? The pop filter. The little bendy thing. Simply. The reason that sounds so amazing is because of my musical visionary ability. No secret. There's no special thing going on in the computer that makes it sound this good. It is only genius. Perhaps add an auto pan. I realize we haven't done any effects for the operator. Yes, that's... How spacey does that sound, Machine Elves? It sounds like your home planet. You have to be very delicate with the grain delay. If you muck about with the grain delay too much, you won't have any sound at all. No, I don't want that. See what I mean? If you muck about too much, the computer won't respect you. The sound won't respect you. It will very simply be a mess. Has to be very, very subtle. So subtle! Let's get an EQ on the go. Should have done this first, really, but no matter. It's decent. Could be better, but we don't have all day. The most important thing about creativity is to finish. You can polish and 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 polish all day long. But if you don't finish, have you created anything at all? The answer is no. You must finish. You must complete. You must be imperfect. I'm still a genius, though. Still a genius. Still a genius. What do we want to add next? Another found sound, or perhaps an instrument? I'm not entirely sure. Not entirely sure. I think I would like to add my own voice to this piece. Is that fair? After all, I am the creator. I am the genii. Yes, let's add my voice. Let's add my voice to this piece. I think I would like to sound like an Incan hawk. I was one in my previous life, you know. I think I know how to sound like that. Whoa! I've still got the tracker playing. How am I meant to sound like an Incan hawk if I've still got this track playing? Unbelievable. That was my producer, not me. I would never make such a mistake. Whoa! That should suffice. Did it not record? Oh dear, Darryl, you've completely lost your way. Whoa! Whoa! Let us see what I have mastercrafted here. I think it's going to be quite good. Whoa! Whoa! I think we can work with this. Do we even need to put it in the simpler, or should we just work with the sample? I think we should put it in the simpler, yes. Whoa! 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 I take my work very, very seriously, but I do like to have fun as well. That's a little known honor fact. Reverb. Delay. Yes, this is coming together very nicely, isn't it? Oh, no, that's a bit loud. That's a bit loud. Yes. Exactly as I had imagined it. Can we slow it down a touch? Is there any way of slowing? Yes, there is, isn't there? I can... Oh, it's only in the sample. Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Honestly, it's fine. It's what I meant to do. It's what I meant to do. Let's give it a whirl. Yes, I think the full sample once and then just for just very simply at the end of the loop. That's too high. But I like it. I like it, yes. Otherworldly, but still too high. I like otherworldly in case you hadn't learned. Yes, I think this is working very nicely. I think I would like one more instrument in this piece. Just another synth, hovering very lightly in the background. Just to add some dynamism. I think there's such a thing as too many found sounds. I never thought I'd say that, but perhaps it is true in this case. Let us see, let us see. Let's use an instrument that is only available in the free trial, otherwise I would have to pay many hundreds of human pounds to purchase them. Perhaps another operator, or maybe even a wavetable. Let us give the wavetable a go. What sort of incredible shape do I want to make? Interesting. Very interesting. Yes. Let us add. Interesting. Interesting. See, the key to ambient music is to press the keys down for as long as you can. That's the secret to making ambient music. Very simply, you hold the keys down until you form a chord, and then you continue holding them down until you wish to stop, which could be many minutes. That's my top tip of the day. Let's form some chords. C. E. G sharp. No, it's too simple. We will continue to build. A sharp. C sharp. Ooh, we're getting weird now. E. Let's voice it. There is a way to just pull it up an octave, but I haven't figured it out yet. How does that sound? Most mysterious. I like it. Put this all way in the background, far, far away from anything else. So far away. A social distancing synth. Yes. Far away. Far, far, far away. Further than you've ever been before. In your entire life. Can we send it further? Further away. I want to send it so far away. Send it further away. Send it away. Run it through the cabinet, perhaps. That could be suitable. If I shorten them, they will sound more ethereal, like they don't belong here. I like things that don't sound like they belong. It makes me feel more at home, shall we say. Start them just short. Oh dear, oh dear. I fell over there. The ephrogenic blues are clearly kicking in. Sorry. Sorry, it's difficult to live within my mind sometimes. Add a little bit of variety to the piss. Let's add a bit more reverb to me. I am the most important person after all. Maybe with less reverb. Yes, that's much better. Yes, I'm feeling this. It's still in its infancy, but I'm a midwife of sound. Yes, I will deliver the full piece. I'm sure of it. This is an excellent foundation of genius that I've delivered to you live. An important step, even if no machine elf has listened to it. I've most certainly enjoyed it, and it's been an excellent outlet for my enigmatic persona. Yes, if I do say so myself. So you want to add one more found sound? No, let's run Ambient Master on upon it. This will just add some punch to the sound. I think you'll agree. One could listen to this sound for many an hour and relax amidst the chaos. Yes. And remember, this piece has been generated using only 2 synths and 4 found sounds. A full mug of tea, an empty mug of tea, struck both with the spoon. My trusted spoon. Yes. And then the 4th sound is Darryl Ono's voice, pure and simple. You can probably tell which one that is. Sheer genius like this comes along fleetingly. So I hope you enjoyed this shared experience. We have joined together to create machine elves. And perhaps I shall return soon. Or one of my cohorts from the podcast Ollie's World, which you can listen to on a variety of apps for the low price of nothing. So please listen if you choose to, or don't if you don't. But you can hear more from me there, and I'm sure you would just love to do that, wouldn't you? I hope I have not broken the terms Ono shirt. That is what I understand TOS to stand for. And if I have,